And today I'd like to talk about fuses, specifically how to test whether a fuse is good or bad. Now I do have a bunch of fuses here. They're all basically the same shape. These are all for kind of electronic devices. This is a 4 amp fuse. This is a 5 amp fuse. Fast blowing. This one's also 2 amp fuse. This is a little smaller than this one. There's also these called slow blow fuse, which takes more than just an instant to blow if they blow. Now what fuses do is essentially what a fuse is a type of resistor, and it's a resistor specifically designed as kind of a sacrificial kind of resistor. So if in this case a 4 amp fuse, if the current going through here exceeds the 4 amps, the resistor or wire in there will overheat and blow or melt and break, and therefore cut off the current. I could touch the leads again, and this was a 4 amp fuse. So I'm going to take a different fuse. This is also a 4 amp fuse, and try this one. Now this one doesn't make any sound at all, and I happen to know for a fact that this one has blown. And if your eyesight is good, or if you have a magnifying glass, you could actually look into this glass and notice that the wire in there is basically blown or frayed or broken apart and actually partly melted. So you could either do it visually, but a lot of fuses are either covered. Some of them have a ceramic covering, some of them have a paper covering, some of them are more complex. Either they have an insulation and a wire wrapping. Sometimes it's very difficult to tell visually if a fuse is blown, and so you want to test with some kind of device whether it has continuity. So that is how you test fuses. I hope this helps you. I hope you enjoy listening to your continuity music, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.